Hello and welcome to Art Supply Addiction. A few weeks ago I talked about watercolor workbooks and I showed books where you could follow along with these techniques that were advertised, and then there was actually areas where you could paint within the workbook. And I showed a few bonus gouache books. Definitely check out that video. But the gouache books did not cover something that you did not have an area where you could paint in them. But I found a gouache book that does. This is Gorgeous Gouache by Vidi Sachit, and it has 173 pages with color mixing recipes, landscapes. It's got fruit and desserts and tons of floral exercises. And it's got all of these pretty amazing things that you could paint and these techniques to help you use gouache. And at the back, like I said, there's 173 pages, and at the very back, there are color mixing wheels and pictures and tutorials, and it shows you where you could get the techniques, what page you could get the techniques on. And the best part is, it comes with, I hope you can see this, perforated lines, so you could rip this out of the book and paint along the page that had that exact design. So it is such a cool concept, and the art is gorgeous. She did a great job. So I definitely wanted to add this one. I've got a link to it in the description if you are interested. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I had a gouache version of the workbooks. These are great for learning a new medium.